What happens sometimes is that it's not necessary that people are wishing bad for you, but they're so curious to know. They say, let's just check this person out. And they will say exactly that will trigger you. Okay, so we have to protect ourselves in such a way as well. So know yourself better, but keep yourself a secret. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. You are watching and listening to Miss Amaira Jyoti on Speak Up Hesitations. You're on Speak Up Hesitations too. All right. What does it mean when we say know yourself exactly? Means who are you as a person, the core of you, how you respond to the world around you, understanding yourself completely, deeply, exactly about your thoughts, कि आप सोचते किस तरीके से हो, पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग है या नेगेटिव थिंकिंग, देन अबाउट योर बिहेवियर कि आप अलग अलग सिचुएशन में कैसे बिहेव करते हो या बिहेव करने के बारे में सोचते हो, देन अबाउट योर फीलिंग्स कि आप अलग अलग चीज़ों को किन किन तरीके से फील करते हो और उसका रिस्पॉन्स क्या आता है, देन अबाउट योर वीकनेसेस, अबाउट योर स्ट्रेंथ, योर वैल्यूज़, योर मोटिवेशंस. दिस नो डाउट विद टाइम ये जितने भी फैक्टर्स हैं उनमें मॉडिफिकेशंस आते हैं, बट इवन आफ्टर दैट इफ यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड ऑल दोज मॉडिफिकेशंस अबाउट योर सेल्फ, then we can say that you understand yourself well. You understand yourself better. Knowing yourself better also means that accepting your flaws and being patient with your own success and growth. Knowing the limit, that what's the limit of your physical strength, what's the limit of your emotional strength, what's the limit of your mental strength. Okay? And then also setting the boundaries and knowing the boundaries where to draw that line for your own protection, for your own well-being. And if you are doing exactly, then we can say that you know yourself better, because all of these things will bring authenticity and self-awareness. When you know yourself better, it's easier to recognize where you want to grow and what are the things that can hold you back. तो जब हम अपने ट्रू सेल्फ के साथ अच्छी ट्यूनिंग बैठा लेते हैं तो इट्स पॉसिबल कि हम अच्छी चीज़ें, हैप्पी चीज़ें अपने लिए ज़्यादा पिक करेंगे. क्यों? बिकॉज वी हैव ऑलरेडी फिगर्ड आउट व्हाट थिंग्स आर मेकिंग अस सैड. So you will never ever gonna choose that eats up your mental peace. We will always choose the side of brilliant happiness, right? My understanding of knowing myself better is such that even if I'm sad for a day, I exactly know what's the reason. I don't remember the last time I said why I'm sad. I don't know why I'm sad, what's happening with my moods. I can truly feel that. I can truly understand this fact. Sometimes emotions get so entangled, so bottled up over time. But even after this, there's always a specific reason that cause bottle to spill over. And if you know that reason exactly, then we can say that you know yourself better. Now let's just talk a bit more personal. Everybody has their own trigger point, right? All of a sudden there's a situation and we are like, how dare you? So please identify your triggers कि ऐसी क्या situations हो सकती हैं, ऐसे क्या experiences हो सकते हैं, ऐसे क्या लोग हो सकते हैं which force you to bring out your strong emotional reaction. There are situations, right, where we are overly positive charged or overly negatively charged. कैसे हो रहा है? How is that happening? Because your trigger point has been pressed. And if you're conscious about this particular thing, then we can say that you understand yourself better. What happens sometimes is that it's not necessary that people are wishing bad for you, but they're so curious to know. They say, let's just check this person out. And they will say exactly that will trigger you. Okay, so we have to protect ourselves in such a way as well. So know yourself better, but keep yourself a secret. Then there's one thing, if you can truly understand, there's always a base factor that manipulates your decision. कुछ लोग अपने principles को लेके, moral principles को लेके, ethical principles को लेके, कुछ लोग अपने goals को लेके और what they believe in, इन सब चीज़ों को ध्यान में रख के अपने decisions बनाते हैं, actions लेते हैं, behaviors बनाते हैं. So if you can truly able to figure out what guides your action, decision, behavior, then we can truly say that you understand yourself better. Imagine somebody exactly know what they are good at. ये उनकी strength हो गई. Now imagine somebody exactly know what they are bad at. ये उनकी weakness हो गई, right? The brilliant thing is we need to figure out what we are good at and where we might struggle. When we are able to figure out our strength, we are able to think a step ahead. When we are able to figure out our weaknesses, we are able to improve our weak areas, right? Simple. And if we are doing this exactly very well, we can say that you know yourself better. All right. Thank you so much for watching. That's all for today's video. We are at the end, and I'll see you in the next, guys. Bye for now.